The world of personal finance offers numerous rules to guide individuals towards financial stability. From investment strategies to smart spending habits, these principles provide a roadmap for sound financial decisions. Regardless of one's financial experience, understanding these foundational guidelines can lead to greater financial well-being and security. 1. The Rule of 72. This rule provides a quick and relatively accurate method to estimate the number of years required to double the value of an investment at a fixed annual rate of return, or interest. The formula is simple. Divide 72 by the annual rate of return. For example, if you were to invest in an account that offers a 6% annual return, it would take roughly 12 years for your investment to double. 72 divided by 6 is equal to 12. It's a useful tool for understanding the power of compound interest and comparing the potential growth of different investments. 2. The Golden Rule of Personal Finance. Spend less than you earn is a foundational principle of personal finance. In essence, it's about ensuring that your expenditures don't exceed your income, allowing you to save, invest, and build wealth over time. Living within or below one's means can reduce financial stress and provide a buffer against unexpected expenses or economic downturns. 3. Money as a tool. Rather than viewing money as the ultimate goal, this perspective sees money as a means to an end. Money can be used to buy comforts, secure necessities, or even achieve personal and philanthropic aspirations. However, the pursuit of wealth for its own sake can sometimes lead to a never-ending cycle of wanting more, often at the expense of personal happiness or ethical considerations. 4. Pay yourself first. This financial principle emphasizes the importance of prioritizing savings or investments. Instead of saving what's left after spending, this rule suggests setting aside a predetermined amount or percentage of one's income for savings or investments before allocating money to other expenses. This ensures consistent growth in personal wealth and fosters disciplined financial habits. 5. Avoid bad debt. Debt is often categorized into good and bad. Good debt, such as student loans or mortgages, can be considered an investment in one's future and often comes with lower interest rates. In contrast, bad debt, like high-interest credit card debt, offers no potential return and can quickly erode one's financial health. Avoiding or quickly paying off high-interest debt can save substantial amounts over time. 6. Time value of money. At its core, this concept acknowledges that $1 today is worth more than $1 in the future because of its potential to earn interest or returns. This principle is foundational in finance and underscores the value of investing early and understanding the future value of money in various scenarios. 7. Emergency fund rule. It's recommended to have 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved in an easily accessible account, like a savings account. This fund acts as a safety net in case of unexpected expenses or income loss, ensuring you don't have to rely on high-interest debt. 8. The 50-30-20 rule. A budgeting rule of thumb where 50% of your income goes towards necessities, like housing and food, 30% goes towards discretionary expenses, like entertainment and dining, and the remaining 20% is saved or invested. 9. The 100-age rule. This is a rule for asset allocation. Subtract your age from 100 to get the percentage of your portfolio that you should invest in stocks. For instance, if you're 30, then 70% of your portfolio should be in stocks, and the remaining 30% in bonds. However, this rule has been debated and adjusted by some experts in recent years due to longer life expectancies and changing market conditions. 10. Diversification rule. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying investments across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, etc., can reduce risk, as the poor performance of one investment can be offset by the strong performance of another. 11. The 3 to 6% rule for retirement withdrawals. In retirement, it's commonly recommended to withdraw between 3% and 4% of your total portfolio annually to maintain the portfolio for a lifetime, though this can vary based on market conditions and personal circumstances. 12. The 28-36 rule. When considering a mortgage, financial experts often suggest that a household should spend a maximum of 28% of its gross monthly income on total housing expenses and no more than 36% on total debt service, including housing and other debt such as car loans. 13. Zero-based budgeting. Start each month with your income and then allocate every dollar to a specific category: expenses, savings, debt repayment, until you're down to zero. This helps ensure every dollar has a purpose. 14. The 24-hour rule. Before making a significant discretionary purchase, wait 24 hours. This period allows for reflection and can often prevent impulsive and potentially regrettable decisions. In the journey of financial literacy, understanding and integrating these fundamental rules is only the beginning. As with any journey, adaptation, continuous learning, and persistence are key. While these guidelines provide a foundation, true financial resilience comes from applying them thoughtfully in the unique contexts of our lives. Remember, personal finance, at its core, is truly personal. Tailoring these principles to fit individual circumstances and goals is the ultimate strategy for monetary success and peace of mind. I hope you have learnt something valuable from this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you don't miss any future content about money-related stuff again. Goodbye.